Good morning, students. I am Priya Pillai, and today we will have class about moral science, that is of class 5. So, all of you are able to see this book, Virtue, a book of moral values. Hope you all are having this book. So, today we will start with the first chapter. Please open the book and please take a pencil in your hand. So, this is our first chapter, that is page number 5, On the Wings of Prayer. So, a man who had just gotten married was returning home with his wife. They were crossing a lake in a boat when suddenly a great storm arose. The man was a warrior, so he didn't lose hope, but the woman became very scared, presuming death was certain for them. Now here a couple who has just got married and they were returning to their home and they were crossing a lake with a boat, but suddenly a storm arose and his wife was very much scared and presuming that they will not be able to live anymore. The boat was small and the storm was really harsh. It looked like they would drown any moment. But the man sat calm and silent as if there was nothing to worry. His wife, on the other hand, was trembling with the fear when he said, "This may be the last moment of our life. It doesn't seem that we will be able to reach the shore. Only a miracle can save us. Why are you afraid? Are you a stone and not a human?" Now, what is the wife telling here? That the boat can be, the storm is very harsh and the boat can anytime go drawn into the water and we will be no more. But the man was very calm and silent. He was very much calm and silently sitting. His wife, on the other hand, was trembling with fear when he said, "This may be the last moment of our life." Now his wife is telling, "Why are you so calm and silent? Because this moment can be the last moment of our life. One miracle can save us. Why you are not afraid?" She is asking that to the husband, that why are you not afraid? Only a miracle can happen and it can save us. So that lady is asking, why are you so silent? All of a sudden the man took his sword out of its sheath. The woman was even more puzzled. What has he doing? Then he brought the naked sword close to the woman's neck, so close that it nearly grazed her neck. Now here what happened? Then the man, all of a sudden, he took out his sword. And what he did? Then he just took that sword near to the neck of his wife. The wife was very much puzzled that what the man is trying to do. Turn the page. He asked, "Are you afraid of dying now?" Now what is the man asking to the woman? That, are you afraid now? His wife laughed and said, "No, I am not. If the sword is in your hands, I need not to be afraid. I know that you love me." The man put sword back and said, "This is my answer." Now, here, what is the woman telling? That I am not afraid because you love me and you will never do this. So, this was the answer by the man to the wife's question that why are you not afraid? I know God loves me and the storm is in his hands. So place your trust in God and have firm faith that whatever is going to happen is going to be good. So here what is the man saying? That you should have firm faith in God and whatever is your trust, you should have trust in God, and you should be very much firm that everything which will happen good. So, what is the moral of the story? Trust in God eliminates fear and transforms life. This is the moral of the story. Please take it or underline it, and you have to learn what is the moral of the story, and you have to learn the meanings also. So here we have completed one chapter. In the next video we will be doing the exercises. Please read the chapter and revise the chapter. Okay? Till then, goodbye.